and buried my wife here. And we found out a little secret that we didn't know before. My wife was from Oregon. She frankly decided when she came to school, she didn't want to live here. She thought it'd be better to live outside the state, but after we'd stayed here and started to raise our family, we believed in what I call the Utah County way. And the Utah County way is a different way. And sometimes around the state, Utah County gets a bad mark for that. I call it a victory, but a lot of people will say, oh, yeah, Utah County again. And I'm like, because I don't want to be like Salt Lake County. I don't want to be like some other county. I don't try to pattern what I do or what I think after that. I came down here and found a jewel that I think is worth preserving and do things different. And so along with that, there were some comments I wanted to address because I have spent a lot of time in this since this was passed in looking at our budgets, looking at not just our expenses, but we look at our revenues. You have to look at both sides of the equation on this to find out what's going on. Went back